Hi, my name is Kimberly Harwood from Zeidman Development. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration of IDLookup Search, our newest addition for our IDLookup plugin. So the first thing you'll notice on opening up the Razor's Edge, having installed IDLookup, is a new menu item on the left-hand side. This means you can open up IDLookup Search from wherever you are in the Razor's Edge. On opening it, you can see a huge number of options for searching for records in Razor's Edge. You can search using two different methods. The first one is a simple search, and this works exactly as you would expect a regular search to work in Razor's Edge. You've just got more options here. So we can search on surname, we can search on email address, or we could search on import ID, or any of those fields in combination with each other to find records quickly and easily in the Razor's Edge. The second option you've got is to use the criteria sets you can set up in IDLookup to look for constituents. This really brings the power of IDLookup into your day-to-day searching. So the first time that you select criteria sets, you'll need to define at least one, and then the application will remember that one next time you're using IDLookup Search. You can either define a new one, or you can choose a saved one that you've created in IDLookup previously. I've got one already set up right here. We've got our first name equivalents, and the first letter of our surname, and we're not going to compare any blank values. And then our second set is full first name, first initial, and surname. So you can add as many or as few as you like to here, and you can have a variety of different criteria sets that you can load on this screen as well. So let's have a look. So we can see that we've got two records come up with this search with the criteria sets. You can choose how your multiple matches are handled. So you can either choose to use the criteria set with the fewest matches, which is what we've done here, or you can match only on the multiples from the previous criteria sets. So it will go through your criteria sets in order and only search on the results of the previous one. You can also choose how you want to view the constituents from the grid when you open them. You can open them as search, which will close IDLookup Search when it opens the record, so you can just save and close that and continue on with what you want to do in Razor's Edge. Or alternatively, if you want to come back to your search, you can open it with the navigation option, and that's what we're going to do now. So this will open David's record. We can have a look through his record to see if it's the one we're looking for. But if we want to look at the next record in the list, we can simply use the navigation to move on to the next record. Once we're happy that this is a record we were looking for, we can make any changes we want, and we can save and close as usual. And this will bring you back to the search, so you can either change it to look for more records or start a completely new one. The great thing about IDLookup Search is that if you haven't upgraded to Razor's Edge 7.92 yet, you've got all of this search functionality still with your current version. And if you have upgraded, you've got loads of control about which records you search for, how you search for them, and what results are returned. We hope you'll find IDLookup really useful. You can download the new version right now by going to our website. Thanks for listening.